Good evening, viewers, and welcome once again to the home of beautiful cars. And here we have with us a virtually brand new Rolls-Royce Black Badge Ghost. This is a 2022 Rolls-Royce Black Badge Ghost. This is the king of the road. Very, very rare. Nominal kilometers, about 1,500 kilometers. Incredible machine. Rolls-Royce Black Badge Ghost. This is the one that Rolls-Royce used to showcase how wonderful their range is. Incredible white Duco, virtually brand new. Only at the home of beautiful cars. Rolls-Royce Black Badge Ghost, 1,500 kilometres, under $700,000. Australia-wide delivery, finance arranged. The king of the road.